In this question, it says that you have a 3 cross 3 square grid. So let's just draw that roughly. And you have filled up these slots using numbers from 1 to 9, each number used once, such that along each column, row, and each of the diagonals, the sum is the total is the same. So that means these three numbers addition will be the same here also, and here also, here also, here also, here also. Then this diagonal and this diagonal all will be the same. They're saying the top right is 4 and the top left is 8. You have to figure out what is this, the bottom middle. What number should you have placed? So obviously, since we are using the numbers from 1 to 9, the sum of the numbers is 9 into 10 by 2. So that's 45. So now look, this row plus this column plus this column, the three columns add up to 45. Okay, because we have used the numbers once each, and each of the columns value is the same. So that means clearly each value must be 15. So everywhere the summation should come out to be 15. Once we know this, we just need to quickly figure out the other values. So 8 plus 4 is 12, so that's 3. Now, if each of the numbers is 15, okay, what will you do for, let us say, we try to figure out what will be the middle value, okay, because every number adds up to 15, right? So what should be the value of the middle? If you can figure that out, then very easily 3 and that we can figure out what this number will be. Okay, so let us say obviously we can make an equation and solve it out. So we have A, B, C, D, and E, and F. So we have A plus B plus C is 15. And we can make all these equations. So A plus D is 7. B plus E is 12. C plus F is 11. And the digits that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, of which 8 is used up, 3 is used up, 4 is used up. So now let's try to figure out what can be the values combinations for 7. Okay, so we can do 1 and 6, or we can do 2 and 5. Okay, so A and D can be 1 and 6 or 2 and 5. So if I take, let's say, 1 and 6, okay, so now it might as well have been 6 and 1. Okay, we don't know which one, which combination it will be. So if I, let's say, do this 1 and 6, so now observe, depends on what number I'm placing where. So if I place the 1 here, then I need to have one combination which will give you a 15, one more which will give you a 15. So with the number 1, I would need to create 2 combinations for 15. Okay, so let's see whether that is possible. So if it were 1 inside here, so 1 plus 8 is 9, and that's 6. So this is one combination which is 15. What else can give us a 15? So 1 plus 2 other numbers which will give you 15 would be B and C is 14 then. So 7 and 7 we can't use. So it has to be 6 and 8. Okay. So B and C must be 6 and 8. That gives us 14. But 6 and 8 can't be used because we have already placed the 8 and the 6 here, right? 5 and 9 can be a combination which works. So with 1 here, it has to be 5 and 9. So we put 5 here and 9. So now we are used up 5 and 9 also. Okay, we have used up 1 and 6 as well. So you're left with 2 and 7. So just verifying, 5 plus 3 is 8, so this will be 7, and 9 plus 4 is 13, so this will be 2. So now let's check whether it actually adds up to 15 everywhere. So 9, 4, 13 plus 2, 15. Yes. 8 and 7, 15. 8 and 1, 9 and 6, 15. 13 and 2, 15. 10 and 5, 15. 11 and 4, 15. 4 and 5, 9 and 6, 15. 8 and 2, 10 and 5, 15. So it does work. So the middle bottom line number will be 7. So that's your answer. Okay.